angel floating in the sky with tears in my eyes. Your dreams were left behind in the Parsi forever.
Aloha, I'm Kobayashi Chikako. When I passed near Pearl Harbor, I heard some melodies and lyrics from the sea. I quickly wrote them down. The song The Parsi is a love song for the soldiers who died and a soft sad song for the meaning of their lives. When I visited the Pearl Harbor again to tell my thanks about finishing this album, I heard some voices saying, "Aren't our days at Pearl Harbor in vain? We don't want it to be like that." I was amazed at the voices from the sea. I'd like to continue to sing this song so as not to forget their spirit. Thank you so much for your time. 小林千佳子です。この歌は私がオアフ島を初めて訪れた時、海から自然に聞こえてきたメロディーと歌詞を慌てて書き留めたものです。曲ができた時、もう一度オアフ島を訪れ、お礼を言いにパールハーバーに行きました。その時に海の方から僕たちの死は無駄ではなかったか、無駄にしてほしくないという声が聞こえてきた気がして驚きました。私にできることは、この戦争で亡くなられた方々の気持ちを忘れないために、この歌 The Pearl Sea、 日本語のタイトルでは真珠の海を歌い続けていくことだと思います。